Well, there are so many things that can stain our teeth. Coffee, tea, wine, even things like blueberries, chocolate, soda. But fortunately, you don't have to cut out all that good stuff just to keep a bright white smile. Stacy Blatnick is a registered dental hygienist with Crown Point Dental, and she's here to show us all the ways we can whiten. So welcome to Daytime, Stacy.
Thank you.
So how often, first of all, do you see patients that come in and just say, my main thing is I am not happy with the color of my teeth?
A lot. It's a big complaint with a lot of patients that we see. The good thing about whitening is there are options to do, and the best way to do it is through a dental office. So there's a lot of gimmicks out there, a lot of ways you can waste your money, and coming to a professional in a dental office is probably the best way to do it.
Okay, so we are going to talk about those. There are 3 types of professional treatments that you use specifically at Crown Point Dental. So the first one, we're going to start with the in-office options. So what can we do there?
That one is, we technically try to go with lifestyles. Some people want to do it in just an hour and 10 minutes and be done. Some people don't mind doing a little bit of work at home. The best 3 that we offer are come in and do a Zoom, which is an hour and probably 10 minutes. It's over and done. You leave with white teeth. Everybody's happy. Or we do some in-office. We have trays that you take home, which you do for up to 10 days, about 15 to 20 minutes. And those are very simple to use. They're all disposable. That's easy to do. We also have our third option, which is a impression that we take, which is of your exact teeth, and you can take home and do that as well. And you can do those for up to a week too.
And those are both trays, the last 2 options.
Yes.
It just depends. The one is a little more custom, so it fits your mouth better.
Exactly.
Do you sleep in those? Are those things that people can do at night? Do they have to wear them during the day?
Mainly with those, it depends on, there is a side effect sometimes with these that we try to prevent before you do any of those.
Okay.
You can do toothpaste for a week before. That depends on your percentage of bleach, which is, say if you do a lower percent, if you have sensitivity, you may have to do it a little bit longer. Higher percent, you do it a little bit less. So we make it custom to your individual need.
And you talked about this being better than all those over-the-counter options, and why is that? Why is it worth it to just go and get it done by a professional first?
Well, you can waste a lot of money sometimes. There's a lot of them out there that you don't really know if it is safe, if it is effective, and when you come into us, we can guarantee you all those things.
Guarantee the results. That's the best thing.
Exactly.
Okay, so we do have some incredible before and after photos that we're going to take a look at, and kind of just tell me, you know, these people probably came in thinking there wasn't a lot that you could do maybe for all the different areas of their smile, but it makes them look so much better.
It's something that's cost effective that does make a very big difference for an individual. It makes you smile more, and especially for cosmetic reasons. Come in, if you're going to have veneers done or any kind of crown work done in the fronts, you can pick the color you want first and then have the procedure done after. So it works really well. Do
a lot of people come in and just say, I want the whitest that you can possibly get me?
Yes. And we have to talk about what the whitest shade is. So they enjoy it. It makes them very happy. It's a simple thing, like I said, and it's a good thing to do.
And why is this a good thing to do as well before maybe they go and get some more like dental procedures, before they get veneers and those kinds of things? Is it better to whiten prior to that?
Yes, it is. Because what happens is with your permanent, with your porcelains, your veneers, those kinds of things, this way you have those colors for forever. So you want to get the shade you want and not regret not doing it prior to something that's so permanent. So
sometimes people may be kind of hesitant because they think it's a lot more expensive if I go in and get it done.
Sure.
But you guys do have options to make it affordable for people.
We do, yes. That's why we offer the 3 different systems to do. All the price ranges are different, and it depends on everybody's lifestyle. Some people don't have the time to do it at home. Some people want to come in and do it and get it over with in an hour and leave with white teeth. So.
Right, one and done kind of thing going
exactly.
on. Okay, so if someone wants to come in, maybe is a consultation kind of the best way to start this all off?
Yes, because there are people that do have maybe some fillings in the front or some old crowns or things like that that we would need to discuss, options for that as well. If you have natural teeth and you just want to whiten them up with no other work that needs to be done, it's much easier this way.
Pretty simple.
Come and talk to us.
Okay, and the phone number, website, all of that, easy to contact you guys and start and set that up.
Yes.
All right, Stacy, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.